Hey, it's Daniel here, and I'm so excited to tell you about the all-new Credit Repair Cloud 2.0. First off, we have redesigned everything. It's the same CRC that you know and love, but with an all-new modern look. And we've made it even faster. But most importantly, we wanted to solve your biggest challenges. You said that sending letters was the biggest time suck in your business. Introducing Cloud Mail. Automatically print and mail your letters with just one click and track every letter in real time. What used to take hours can now be done in less than a minute. We heard your frustrations about credit monitoring and importing reports and all those error messages that the password is wrong. Well, guess what? We solved all that. With just one click, you get them into credit monitoring fast. And when you go to run your credit audit, the correct username and password are already there. So no more error messages. And let's talk about importing and re-importing of credit reports and items showing up as deleted and re-added all in the same report. It's madness. Well, guess what? With our new system, you get perfect imports and re-imports every single time. All these problems were because of third-party services that were beyond our control. So here's how we solved them. Introducing Credit Hero Score, the only credit monitoring designed for your business and built to work perfectly with CRC. Credit Hero Score has the lowest price and the biggest affiliate payouts. Many people love co-branding, but it's so expensive. Guess what? With Credit Hero Score, it's free! You can still use your old credit monitoring if you want to, but we know you're going to want to switch to Credit Hero Score because it solves all these problems. Let's talk about the Credit Audit Report. We gave it a whole new look, and we added your most requested feature, a house, plus information on how credit repair can save money on a mortgage. It's now a killer sales tool. We also added Team Chat, so you can have quick and easy conversations with your team right inside of CRC 2.0. Let's talk about your frustrations with automations, which ones to use, and how complicated they are. Well, guess what? We found a way to make automations so much easier. All the most popular automations are right here, and you can set them up with just a few clicks. We also built a direct integration with the most popular marketing platform for credit repair, Active Campaign. But this is just the beginning. We have added so many surprises that you are going to love in CRC 2.0. But that's not all. I'm also going to give you all these insane bonuses. A Credit Hero t-shirt, access to our private community, and all these trainings. And I'm going to give you all these for free. I hope you're excited about CRC 2.0. To get instant access to all of this, log into your account or sign up for a 30-day free trial at creditrepaircloud.com.